Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have two new DIYs to share with you. They're simple, affordable, and easy to make. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with these skewers from Dollar Tree that I've cut in half and painted black. I'll also be using diamond vase filler from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to place them in the center of the skewers. Next, I'll be using this glass vase from Dollar Tree. This mirror is from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to add some silver diamond vase filler and a candle, and yeah, here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? For my next DIY, I'll be using these clear plates from Dollar Tree along with this iridescent bling strip from a previous DIY. Now I'm going to be using this gold and silver 3-dimensional Mod Podge. To the lower portion of the project, I'm just adding some black matte craft paint. I'm also going to paint the other plate in the same black paint. This is going to be the back of the project. Right here, I'm just hot gluing the two plates together. I'll be using this old wooden paintbrush handle from a previous DIY. Next, I'll be using this old candle lid that I already had. And here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all I have for you today. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well as hitting the notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.